is a company that myself and Dr. Victoria Hutter set up in 2019, and it's a biotech company. And we're heavily solutions focused in the field of in vitro sciences. So cells in a dish is where we bring answers to our clients. So ImmuONE started through a small funded pot through a programme called ICURe, which was an Innovate UK fund. And essentially it was to allow myself to go out and travel the world for 3 months and ask people about technology that I built in my PhD. I went out and discovered that the technology that I built during my PhD was an incredibly viable product for the market. So this is a human lung. This is cells in a dish, miniature human lungs, which we can then receive chemicals from clients from all over the world, from fragrance companies, cosmetic companies, all the way through to inhaled medicine producing companies. And then we can put those chemicals onto these human miniature lungs that we grow in the lab, and we can look for safety responses. All of them are very human focused as well, so we're looking to support and move away from the use of animals in testing of chemicals. So the business support we have received from Innovate UK has been heavily tailored to our business needs. Tailored is definitely the key word there when it comes to working with your specialist at Innovate UK. And I would say, for example, when we started looking at investment, I think that was a huge piece of support that we were able to have, from thinking about how we want to tell our story, how we want to present the company, what investors do we want to talk to, how do we vet the investors for the company. It's not all just about bringing in money, it's got to be people that are like-minded, and that's really where Innovate UK support advisors were able to share expertise. On a large scale, we are looking to solve a big problem, which is making every breath safer for humans, while also reducing the need for animals being tested upon in the inhalation and the immune field. By working with Innovate UK, we were able to access funding that allowed us to excel our R&D work in the laboratory. So that meant developing our products, developing services to meet not just clients' needs, but actually this big problem in terms of how we make breathing safe for people in the future. The next steps for ImmuONE are to implement our growth plans and our strategies. There will be lots and lots of training for myself, for my team, and there will be lots of new hurdles to overcome, which is also why we have become part of an Innovate UK Scaleup Programme. So really we're transitioning not only from being a startup biotech to a scaling company, we're also making sure that we can leverage the support that Innovate UK continues to give us.